Hi everyone, this is Yuki from Durmapress. Today, I wanted to show our 14 tons 1.6 meters press brake for you. If you are interested in this model, please follow me and have a look. We use the E21 system from the Eastern. Due to the relatively few functions, operator can get started more easily and usually do not require too complex training. And we also standard movable front support in our NC machine. This machine is under trial operation. Each of our machine has to go through repeated trial operation before being dispatched to ensure quality. And this is the baggage of this machine. Though the cost is relatively lower than CNC machine, we still insist high quality in this machine. Since there are only two control axes, it will be more suitable for proceeding simple parts and workpieces. And please pay attention to this way. We use ball screw in NC machine with high precision. Okay, that's all for this machine. If you are interested in this type, please contact Yuki. Bye bye.